Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of 100 Legends. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight here in Dartford, in Kent. I just done a drone flight in South East London in Crayford, in London Borough of Exley, but now we're here, so what we're going to do is going to take off. I'm going to go a little bit there so we can go up in the sky. And we're now in the sky, we're now airborne. We're now just going to do a 360 photo after this, and then we're just going to zip around Dartford. So it's going to go up to the max height, and then we're going to do 360 photo. Right, 360 photo is now complete. Now it's going to explore the area. Oh, it seems to be cloudy. It was really sunny the whole time I came here, and then it got cloudy now. Let's go towards this area. I don't understand how it got cloudy, bruv. Just explore the residential area first, and we'll just go back down to Dartford town centre while I go to the other side, because we want to get a sunny shot in it. Alright, let's go to the other side where it's. Just look at that. Get a 360 shot of Dartford. You know what, let's go around like so. Actually no, we're getting a round shot of Dartford like. Get a nice shot of this area. What else can we get a shot of? It's got a rooftop car park. I was thinking of flying there, but I thought it's a bit of a trek. Second of all, this is a nice area to fly from anyway, so we're here anyway. It's going to explore the town centre. Got a Popeyes right here. Got a we're near retail park. So we've got B&Q here, got tappy carpets. What's up with this weather, man? It's gone cloudy again. Every time I take off it gets cloudy. Bare bad luck. So got the trains over here, Dartford trains. What's happening with this weather? Look at it, got a fountain here. I haven't seen that before. I mean, I haven't even flown in Dartford before. This is the first time, so how can I have seen that before? I mean, I've seen that something like that in What was it? Teddington? And then we've got the residential area down here. A lot of homes here, homes. I'm gonna like get a shot of a sunny area instead of a cloudy area because it's cloudy in this area, isn't it? I should have taken off later. You can't even predict the weather though. You can't predict when it's going to be sunny. You can't predict when it's going to be cloudy. Yeah, big cloud just came. And the exact same thing happened when I just flew in Crayford. Unbelievable. It was actually sunny the whole time as well. When I was taking off, when I get my drone ready to take off, it was like beaming sunny. And only when I take off, it just gets like this. Really unpredictable. A lot of new builds in this area. So you've got nice countryside as well. Look at that. See the bus in the distance, or that truck. Near the River Thames area. As we go towards the River Thames area, we're not going to go there obviously, because that's too far. It's miles away. We can't do that, so it's going to turn back anyway. Let's get a sunny shot while it's here. Just a sunny little spot of Dartford. Look at that, that's sick. So, what a sick shot. Look at that. There's some kind of retail park over here. FedEx, look at that, FedEx. Got a nice sunny shot of FedEx, look at that. We're just gonna turn closer now because we don't know our battery situation, because this wind could just get stronger. I mean, it's not too bad, but you know, we had cases where it's 1 mile an hour suddenly, which is really unlikely though in this weather. I just want to be cautious. Got these Southeastern trains.
Flying a drone?
Yeah.
You're flying a drone?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. Getting a shots here of Dartford area.
Wow. How high is that then?
It's like 400 feet.
That's serious, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. See.
Are you standing here for a minute?
Huh?
You standing here for a minute?
Yeah.
You are, yeah?
Yeah. Got a nice shot of the area. Bare windy again, bruv. See, the drone's moving a bit slower. It's gonna burn our battery fast now. See, you can hear it. You can hear how strong the wind is. Oh wind is proper strong now. You know what? It's calm because we're going in tailwind actually, but we're not going as far. So when the wind subsides, we'll come back, which it will subside. If we come back now, it will probably be slower, but let's let this gust pass us, and then we'll just come back. It's Dartford Station near here. It's a nice area here in Southeast London. We're not in Southeast London. I keep thinking we're in Southeast London, but we're outside of Southeast London because I came from there to get here. Look, that's the Elizabeth II Bridge. Queen Elizabeth Bridge crossing through Dartford. Get a shot of that. We should go near there one time. But there's nowhere to stand near there. Like, it's just the side of the River Thames, and they're just industrial areas. Like, I don't know how to get there. So if I could get there, I would. Look at that, we've got a seagull right over here. Look at that. We're a bit high, so we're calm. Look at that, that's sick. Oh, it's going higher than us, you know. It better not hit us. It better not see that it's a threat. See, birds do fly high. I say, when I fly high, birds never come and attack it. But I think when my drone's this high, even though birds can fly this high or higher than this, they don't really attack the drone. Only when it's lower down for some reason. And I don't get it. But it's good that's just a tip. To fly high, we don't get bird attacks. And that is the way to fly your drone. Just keep your drone to a high altitude, and we won't have any issues with the bird attacks. Next, I might do a shot in Bluewater as well, which is near here. I'm thinking of going down there using my mini full battery. I think my power bank might be knackered after this. It's a bit cloudy though, that's the problem. Look at that. See how sunny spots just appear out of nowhere? I think because there's layers and layers upon clouds, and they come apart, and when that comes apart, we see this. It's like it branches out from the center. So it's sunny it gets sunny out of nowhere. And it's kind of cool that we got a shot of that just now. I'm gonna go down here. We'll get our last shot down this area. It's another retail park. Loads of retail parks here. It's a Sainsbury's, I think. It's not a retail park. And we've got the rooftop car park. There's a lot of cell masts as well. That might cause interference with our drone as well. I think it's good that we just flew here. It's the perfect spot because we've got a shot of the countryside and here. After this, we're just going to turn back. Wait for this red car to come back, except from distance, and we're going to just follow that. Something to track back in it. So you've got some construction down there as well, as you can see in the corner. Look at that. And you know, all the grass is like all brown. And I said that so many times, but it's obviously because we're literally having a drought. In half of this country we have a drought, so that's why we're getting a lot of wildfires. There's actually a wildfire yesterday in East London as well. There's a field and there's a big grass fire there. So many grass fires. In France, there's a huge wildfire at the moment, and in Spain, massive wildfire. So yeah, we'll just stay local for a bit, and we'll just land it after. Get a shot of the Popeyes, little Popeyes right over here. That's a unique shot, isn't it?
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Get shot down this area. We'll go down here. We haven't got shot down here, have we? Right, let's land a drone now. I want to get a quick shot down here. Let's get a shot of something coming back. Let's just come back now. Battery's a bit low. That yellow car has just come here. Interesting, isn't it? Look how fast they're coming back. Alright, let's land it right here. This parking spot right here. And we'll just grab it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Dartford in Kent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.